Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Glenn, and today we're going to be reviewing the iSpyEyes Platinum Blue contact lenses by Marnie Simpson, which change my natural eye colour from this to this. Okay guys, now let me start off by saying that I apologise for my voice in this video. I woke up this morning and my throat was like really sore and dry, so my voice might be sounding a little different today. I apologise for that. But anyways, I purchased these contact lenses from iSpyEyes.com. I will leave that link in the description. These lenses are the Platinum Blue lenses and they usually cost $18.99 for the 2-month lens. Now these contact lenses are super comfortable to wear. The max wear for these lenses is 8 hours in a day, so don't forget to take them out after then. When you purchase these lenses, you have to soak them in your own multi-purpose solution before you put these in your eye. I think the max time you have to put them in the solution for is 6 to 8 hours, so make sure it's longer than 8. I usually do it overnight so I can wear them the next day. So this is how the lens looked when I took out the packaging. I thought, oh my god, it looks really pixelated. I don't know how these are going to look in my eyes. It has like the really harsh, like dark lines around the outside, so I was really worried about how these were going to look. But I put them in my eye today and I am so impressed with the results. This is how the lens looks compared to my natural eye colour. Like I said, there is the dark lines around the outside, and then it has like a grey in the middle of that, and then right where closest to your pupil it has like a really bright blue. I really like how these look on my eyes. These are actually the most natural ones that I've tried from the iSpyEyes collection. I did like all the other ones because I do like intense lenses as well, even if they don't look that natural. But these ones have to be one of my favourites. They just look so stunning. It's not a massive change from my natural eye colour. It just makes them stand out a bit more and a bit more like light and bright. That's the way I feel anyways. And this is how the contact lens looks on both of my eyes. They just look so amazing on my eyes. These seem to have a tighter pupil hole than the other lenses that I've tried. The pupil hole's not as tight as like the Solotica lenses or anything like that, but they do have a slightly tighter pupil hole, which I think adds to the effect to make these look a lot more natural looking than the other ones that I've worn. So I am so happy with how these look. They are just so vibrant, but they're not like to the point where it looks like they shouldn't be your eyes and it's crazy. I will say that the closer you get to someone, they are going to notice that these are contact lenses because they are slightly more pixelated. Like they do have like the harsh lines and stuff, so the closer you get, like you saw in my close-ups, you can see the harsh lines and the pixels on the contact lens, but from here you can't see it. It just looks like an eye colour, and I think they look really amazing. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like these contact lenses? Do you not like them? Don't forget to go over and follow all my other social media links. They will all be in the description below. My Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, all that good stuff, Twitter. All my social media links, they will all be in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video. It really does help. And I think that's everything for today guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!